So now let's talk about some of the features of the new Outlook add-in. You'll notice that I have an email here, and I want to take some action. So I will select the action item, and it'll give me a few of my options. Now the first thing it will do is our system will try to update this and match this with a user already in the system. So you can see that it does associate with this user here. And if I click on that, I'll actually be taken to a smaller version of our system. But you can see now I have a smaller version of WPCRM already open. So I can actually take action on this account, maybe add a note, sent an email on 110, or even add a new activity. If I want to do more with the email, I can come back here, and you see I now have these email action items. So to walk through these, the first thing is to track in WPCRM. So for those who have used the Outlook add-in previously, this is going to replace the Sync with WPCRM button. It does the same action, but again, we've changed the naming of it. So if I want to just sync this email to WPCRM, I will select the Track in WPCRM button and be taken to my next screen where I can select what contact I want to associate this with. The system is going to associate it with the contact it believes is sending the email, but it'll also give me options of other contacts that are associated to that account or other accounts that it believes are on the email. So because this was sent between ourselves and this customer, it is showing me some different options that I can select either from the customer or even from web presented. If neither of those are correct, I can continue to scroll down, and I can either add a new account by unselecting the account and typing in, let's say, web presented, and scrolling back down and selecting the contact from this new account, or I can even add a new contact from this new account. So maybe this was a brand new contact. I can add in Ari test and Ari test at test.com. And just like previously, I can link this email to other activities. So maybe there is a opportunity or a ticket associated with this customer that this email is referencing. So I can link that from here. I'll just unselect. Or I can add purpose codes and result codes to better track this. So maybe the purpose for this was following up. So I want to make sure that this email is tracked correctly. Once I have all of my selections, I will hit OK, and the system will load. And you can see it's thinking. I now have that purple little flag to show that it is synced. And now when I open this email, I have a few different options. It's going to automatically sync to the account and to the contact, and clicking on either of those are going to open up that Internet Explorer browser that we showed earlier. I can quickly change the association. So maybe I made a mistake and it's not actually Ari Test, it's somebody else. I can click on that and scroll down and say, oh, it is actually the user guest, and hit OK. Or if I made a mistake and I don't want to sync this email anymore, I can quickly select the Remove Tracking. And that'll bring me back to the original screen. Some other features that we can do. You can create a task off of this email, which will create and use the body of the email as the body for the task. I can create a brand new opportunity, which will sync the email as well as part of the action plan of the opportunity. And for anyone using our service module, you can actually create a ticket straight from this email. Now, if you are not using the opportunity or service module, you will not see these options. To quickly hide this, all I have to do is unselect it from there, and it will collapse. And that are some of the new features of the Outlook add-in. If you have any questions, again, you can always reach out to us at support@webpresented.com, or visit us on the WPCRM community page and enter a comment or question in the forum. Thanks. Bye.